Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to day 7 on online learning. At this point, you should have the Google Doc called Day 7 opened up from your Google Classroom. We're going to begin the day with language arts just like we would at school. For reading today, we're asking that you warm up by reading 15 minutes of a good fit book of your choice. On the Google Doc, you're going to type the title of your book and 1 to 2 sentences about what happened today. So for example, if I was reading Matilda, I would type in the title, and then I would write a sentence or two about today, and then write what happened in my story. Next, we're going to move into vocabulary. Today, we're going to review the vocabulary words on page 10 of your Journeys textbook from the story Judy Moody Saves the World. To access the book online, click My Library and then Journey Student Book. Remember, we're in book 2 on Think Central. You can use context clues to determine the meaning of each word. If for any reason you're unable to determine the meaning of the word, you're going to use a regular dictionary, or you can click the link to use an online dictionary. On page 10, the sentences are just like the vocabulary cards that we would use in the classroom. Below, you're going to use each vocabulary word in a 3rd grade sentence right on the document. So for example, if I was writing a sentence about the word recycle, I could write, it is important to recycle to help save our planet. This would help the teacher to know that you understood the meaning of the word. You're going to do that for project, dripping, carton, complicated, pollution, rubbish, hardly, shade, and global. Each sentence should start with a capital letter and end with a period. For spelling today, you're going to continue looking over your layer 3 red words, and you can also study and practice layer 4 for a challenge. For science today, we're going to be using some Mystery Doug videos. So over the next 5 days, you're watching Mystery Science videos. You're going to pick one link from the short video list and then one link from the long video list. You don't need a password or anything to log in. You might have seen some of these videos in class already, but you can always learn something new. You can do a Google search to find out more information about that topic as well. So for example, if I wanted to pick for the short video today, what is the most dangerous animal in the world, I could follow this link. And just like I would in school, I could watch the mystery, and I can even do the bonus if there is one. Hear from Doug. You're going to respond below with something new that you found that was interesting. So for example, in the space below, I could write, I watched the short video on the most dangerous animal in the world. I learned that, and I can type my fact. And I'm going to do the same thing for the long video. This is a fun opportunity because some of these are our favorite mysteries that we've done in school. This is a chance to see them again, show your siblings, so you could watch what makes the bridge so strong for the long video. You're not going to be able to do the hands-on activity, but you can still watch the video and learn something new. For math, you're going to open up to page 325 in your hardcover math book. And just like yesterday, if you don't have your hardcover math book, you're going to open up the e-text, the electronic version of the book. Once the book is open, over at the menu, I'm going to use the table of contents to get there. We're in topic 13. And we can either use the next button to keep scrolling over, or we can use the table of contents to get as close as we can. So today we're working on page 325, and you're doing problems 6 through 13, but we're skipping number 8. So you've done part of the review yesterday, and you're doing more of the review today. So if we look over here, we see number 6. So it says a drawing of Kimmy's vegetable garden is shown. What is the perimeter of the garden? So I'm going to count all my sides and add all my sides together to find the area around the entire shape. Then I'm going to come back over to my Google Docs and record the area in the space below. So I'm just making up an answer. Let's say the area was 50 units squared. You're going to type the correct answer. You're going to do the same thing for number 7, skipping number 8, and then going ahead through 9 through 13. That's all you have to do for math today. We know that the review will take you a bit longer. If you have some extra time, you can still go on to Reflex, Prodigy, or flashcards. Have a great day and let us know if you have any questions.